Assalamu alaikum, beta. We're discussing parts of speech. So today we have to talk about adverbs and prepositions. What's an adverb? We discussed adverb yesterday. A verb is a word that's used to express an action or a state in which work is involved. Now, adverb adds something to verb or an adjective or another adverb. So, okay, first we'll write the definition of adverb. Adverb is a word used to add something to the meaning of a verb. Okay, adjective or another adverb. Okay, if we add something to the meaning of a verb, if we use a verb in a sentence, in writing, and add something to it, to its meaning, it's an adverb. If we use the word part of speech, we call adjective, and add a word before it to add something to its meaning, it's an adverb. Or if we use an adjective or an adverb in a sentence and use another word to add to its meaning, it's an adverb. Okay, for example, he worked the sum quickly. Okay, this flower is very beautiful. Okay, she pronounced the word quite correctly. Okay, here he worked the sum quickly. He worked, it's a verb. He worked the sum, that means he did some action, so verb is used. But quickly, quickly adds more to the manner in which the work was done. So quickly is an adverb. It adds something to the verb. That's work. The flower is very beautiful. Beautiful, you all know, is an adjective. And if we add more to this adjective, beautiful, that's an adverb. This flower is very beautiful. And a very is a word that's used to add something to the meaning, something to adjective beautiful. So very is an adverb. She pronounced the word correctly, not correctly, quite correctly. So correctly is an adverb, but quite is used to add further to the word correctly. So quite itself is an adverb, a word that's used to add something to the meaning of a verb. Here it's quickly, meaning add something to the meaning of an adjective, that's very beautiful, and another adverb. Correctly is an adverb, and we have used a word quite to add something more to the adverb correctly. So quite is itself an adverb. So we have preposition. Okay, Preposition. What's a preposition? First, we'll write the definition. Is a word, okay, used with a noun or a pronoun. Remember this. It's a word used with a noun or a pronoun to show how the person or a thing, as in the case of nouns, were denoted by this, by noun or pronoun. Okay. Stands. Okay. Stands in relation. In relation, okay, to something else. There's a noun or a pronoun. If it always denotes a person, a noun or a pronoun always denotes a person or a thing or something. As in the case of nouns and pronouns, you already discussed. They denote something, the name of something, a person, place, or a thing, something like that. Okay. So, in a sentence, a noun or a pronoun may be denoting something necessarily. Okay. A person, place, or thing. But we have to see how that person or the thing stands in relation to something else. What's the relation of that person or a thing, a pronoun, anything that is denoted by noun or pronoun in relation to something else? How it stands in relation to something. For example, we have the book is dash dash the table, that is on the table. How book is on the table. So here is book is a noun. It is table is another thing. So how this book stands in relation to the table? It is on the table. It's not under it. It's on it. Okay. The boy is in the room. What's the relation of boy with the room? How boy stands in relation to room? It is in the room. Okay. Yes. I sat. I sat. I is a pronoun. Sat. Tree is a noun. How this I means me stands in relation to this. I sat under a tree. Okay. Wherever you find is, in, on, at, under, of, these are all pronouns because they denote the relationship between the two nouns or between a noun and a pronoun, or generally between the noun and the pronoun with something else. Okay. Yes. Inshallah, tomorrow we'll meet again and discuss conjunctions and interjections. Till then, Khuda Hafiz.